point, all that we could do to improve our model was change the insides and maybe try to find something sturdier for the structure.
With our resources, I think that we had to get like extra help from like outside.
Yeah, I feel that we needed a little more help, or like at least a guideline that we could follow, because since it was our first year in engineering, we didn't have previous knowledge to this, so it was really hard trying to come up with a solution to something that we didn't really know how it worked.
With that, I think that I learned a lot, like maybe more than others, like about myself and like our goals. The main feature was like just to make the adjustable dress form and be 3 sizes.
Okay, so it started out trying to be something that would look nice and would be multifunctional, and it was to save up space too, but we had a lot of trouble with our original design because our mechanical part wasn't functioning correctly how we expected it to, so we had to change it a couple times to make it really work. And we still had a little problem, like we could have improved on the friction with the wood, maybe trying to use another material, but we didn't have really that much time to change it.
Yeah, we basically worked on the computer stuff, like the write-ups, the DP, and the video editing and footage of it, like, and taking pictures of stuff. As the semester went on, like, me and Jessica also worked on the shop and like on building the actual dress form, and that's where I think we learned a lot of how to like use the machines. I think this semester was good and I liked it overall. Like,
I did like the semester, although it was hard.
Reflection. Our dress form was still in the preliminary stage come exhibition night. Although we were unable to make it adjustable, everyone that came by was still very impressed at all we accomplished and the mechanics of it all. This project was a nightmare. We had to start over 4 times, and despite all the hard work that we put into the project, in the end, we ran out of time because we had to start over so many times. I, meaning April, was unable to stay after school, so this might have hindered our project just a little. However, when I was at school, I did use my time wisely. Yes, she did. I helped a lot in the beginning and with the planning and mock-ups of the prototype. Towards the end, I felt like my group members monopolized every aspect of the project, which was kind of true, so that when I did try to do something, they just took over.
What can I do?
What could she do? It's just the way it is.
Process-wise, I learned that we should have stuck to our original jobs. That way, there would be no question if we worked or did not work. To do this, I should have been more pushy and took a stand so that I could have helped more. We also should have spent more time planning. That way, we might have been able to see what things would have worked out and we could have saved time. Although a lot went wrong with this project, we put a lot of effort into it and stayed till the very last second working on it. We didn't give up, although we wanted to, and we still had an interesting project to show at exhibition that got people interested.
Yeah!